This is an update on the electrical wiring of the Star Showcase home benefiting the Wichita Children's Home. When we purchased the home, we knew that we had to redo some of the wiring. It wasn't up to code, we had some knob and tube, we had some outlets that weren't grounded, so we wanted to bring in a local partner and make sure that we got that safe and back up to code. One look up in the basement and in the attic showed us that we had knob and tube. So when you see some ceramic knobs with some wiring wrapped around them and running and snaking through those rafters, you know that you're dealing with knob and tube. This is a very antiquated system and would need to be replaced. Star hired a local electrical contractor, Decker Electric, to replace all of the visible knob and tube wiring and update the electrical circuit boxes.
We're going to pull this old panel out, and we're actually going to put a new one on the back side of this wall, and all these circuits will be going into that panel.
Okay, so is this thing an Edison box?
It is, yes. Yeah, these are the fuses for them. That's the old Edison fuses. And then those just screw into here, and that's how your circuits were protected. Inside there's a piece of wire. If it got too hot, it would burn out, and you'd lose power to that circuit. So it acts like your breakers in your typical houses. Yep. So we'll end up putting this panel here up on this wall, and those circuits that are in that other panel will be in this panel, and you'll have your up-to-date breaker.
They also repaired the exterior power service drop.
Let Star guide you through the entire project.